Awesome, awesome. So this is where things get interesting, really interesting. In this lesson, we're going to talk about appearance. Specifically, we're going to be focusing on themes. Now, themes are like a WordPress website without a theme is like a human being walking naked. I think that's the best way to. They are like clothing for our WordPress website. They make our website look the way they look. They make them, you know, look beautiful. All those crazy designs, animation, and stuff like that come from the theme. So if you install a new WordPress website, depending on the year you're installing the website, you're going to have these default themes, named after the year they were created. You see 2020, 2019, 2017, 16, and all that. So this is the default. Now, number one, I'll show you how to add a new theme. Number two, I'll show you how to edit an existing theme. Number three, I'll show you how to delete a theme if you no longer need it. Of course, you should know how to delete a theme. Mostly, it will not be nice to have a lot of themes. They will only slow your website down and you won't need it. So, let's start by adding a new theme. So, add new. If you click the add new button, you have to be online for this to work. Of course, you have to be online. So you're going to be exposed to the WordPress, something called the WordPress public directory. You're going to see thousands and thousands and dozens of themes built by other theme designers, WordPress theme designers, and web designers and developers. All you need to do is to come to the search box and type a search term related to the theme you want to build. Sorry, related to the theme you want to use on your website. So it depends. If your website is that of a law firm, you come here and you type law firm, and then every theme created in that category will come up. And the amazing thing is, all these themes are free to use, though they have paid versions, they have premium versions. So most of the free versions are limited in a way, but of course, they go a long way in saving you time and stuff like that. So you can see very beautiful themes. So if you see a theme you like, okay, I like this one, for example. So you see details and preview. Select it, and then it's going to show you here on the left. It's going to show you all the things that the theme is all about. You're going to see the rating. This one has only one rating and it's really poor. Wow, we don't like the way that is going. You read it, and then if you're okay, you hit the install button. If you're not, you click here, the X icon, and then you go back. You keep searching for more themes. So let's see. Oh, this one looks sweet also. Now, one thing you should know, some of these themes, the way they look in the images isn't the way they will look after you install them. Now, this is not something to worry about at all. Some of them call with demo data that you can install so that it will change the way the WordPress website looks for you, the website looks for you. Some of them don't come with that. You'll have to buy the premium version for it to look exactly this way for some. It depends on whatever it is you want to do. So let's see if we can find something really simple. Okay, we don't care about the looks, right? Let's just go for this, and then however it looks, we'll just install it. This is just for demonstration purposes. um okay, we don't need to wait for it to load. Let's just install it here. So hit the install button, and then it's going to be installing it for you. What is happening behind the scene is WordPress is going to download this from its repository and then install it into your website. From here, you can activate. If you click the X button to cancel it, you can also activate it here. Now hit the activate button to activate the theme. Now you're going to see the difference now after activation. When we reload this site, it's going to look different from the way it looks, out there. Can you see the difference? Can you see? Even though it's not as beautiful as we might want, but can you see how nice, it's looking nicer and better, like from the default theme? Can you see? So That is what themes can do for you. Now, a lot of themes come with a lot of things, but we're not going to be wasting time because on this because we're not even going to be using this kind of themes, but this is just for you to know that they exist, and then you'll be able to do a lot from there. So in the next lesson, I'll show you how to manage or customize your theme.